Okay, so, oh wait, no, that's my lunch. All you'll need is these clicky pens, the annoying clicky pens, right? And then just some of these pens, simple, easy, and then a binder clip. That's all you need. Preferably, you want at least 2 clicky pens. Really? This is all you should need. Clicky pen. First thing we gotta do, of course, let's see, how does this come apart? From the top. That's new. So, we're gonna take the spring. This is a different pen than usual. Usually the springs are double this length, but, you know, you can only do what you can do. So, there's one spring. Alright, now that we have our 3 springs, we need to somehow get the back off of this pen. There's a part in the front where you can just take out the ink of the pen. Just, oops, I just bent it. There we go. Okay. Well, I'm not going to be using this ink anymore, so I'm just going to toss that aside. This is important for later, one of the most important parts of it. Actually, now that I think about it, a way to get this out is to poke something through this hole and push it out the other end. So if we get this ink here and shove it down the hole here and then just jam it in the ground, we will have the top come off. That's exactly what we need. So now it's quite literally just a tube. It is just a tube of plastic. So we need to open up another one of these pens. We're going to put this back in to the tube here. We're going to put each spring down the tube. 1, 2, 3. Now there's 3 springs in there. It's cool because you can see them in there. If the stupid camera will focus on said pen. Anyway, then instead of putting this in this way, we're going to flip it around and stick it in this way. And then it will fall through. And you can see that it's caught on the springs. And that is how we launch our pen ink here. So this is the whole reason this works. So just for now, take one of your caps and cover it so you don't lose anything. And we're gonna put this aside. And then we have that other one that we took the pen out of, and we are going to put some extra ammo in here. The ammo is the ink inside these pens. So I'm just going to take some out, and we're going to take 3 of these and put them in here. And this is your little ammo pouch for these. And so what you do for the binder clip is you take this binder clip and you stick this in the bottom like this, and then you get the top one and you stick it in here as well, like this, and just fit it to how it can go. So now you have the main body, and then we're going to take one of our pens we did earlier and pull the tip out and put the back of another one in it. So now it's just a tube closed off at both ends, and we're going to stick that through both ends of this really far. Just so far that, oh, that just broke it off. So far that broke it off again. Oh my God. pull it as hard as you can until it's like sort of half jammed, half squeezed in there. And you can slide these down more if you want, if you like. And it's done. That's literally it. You're done. So we have our weapon here, and if we take off the cap and push our little thing through here at the back, and then we pull it back and release, you can add as many springs as you want as long as you can hold the back tip. So it can be filled all the way back here, and you can grab it here and pull it in. So as long as you can hold it and then pull back, you can put as many springs in it as you want. Okay, so now I've put the maximum amount of springs in here that I can grab this ammo with, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 springs. It might be a different amount, but as long as you can reach your pen, which, look, it's all the way down here at the bottom, very small to grab. So you have to like grab it like this and then pull like this. Alright, so now I'm going to pull it to full power and shoot it at the box. And well, there's only one more thing that I can say after watching all that slow-mo, is the cap goes on so that you can't shoot your thingy out. It won't shoot out. It just stays in. And then the ammo, and then just you can go like this and pew it from being on the ground. Well, all I can say is that I destroyed a ton of pens. I hope you enjoyed this cool thing I made. Share it with your friends. Subscribe. Comment other ideas you have. I want to hear from people. Go watch my other videos. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna finish eating lunch now.